Welcome. In this video, I'm going to investigate if a biscuit expands in water. So I've heard that, you put your glue in the biscuit slot and then you put a biscuit in there and it expands to fill that slot. So I have a biscuit here. It's been stored in this closed container. I don't think it's a Bosch biscuit though. I think I just used the container. I don't know what brand this is, but I have a caliper here, a digital caliper, and we have that on. I'll set that at 0 and I'll measure the biscuit. And we have 3.97, 3.92, 3.99, 3.97, 3.99. There's a couple measurements, so it's about it's just under 4 millimeters. So I'm going to stick this in here. It's about 2 o'clock on a Tuesday, and I'll come back probably in about 24 hours and I'll remeasure this and see if it has expanded at all. Okay, so it's been about 25 hours in the water, and it was kind of floating, but it was submerged. So I'll dry this off on the surface. And before it was about 3.97 millimeters. So I'll turn the caliper on. I'll 0 it, and we'll check the measurement in a couple places. So here we have 4.37, 4.37, 4.36, 4.34, 4.38. So it looks like it expands about 0.3 millimeters. And it does look slightly thicker. Let me get a dry one here. See if I can get this to show up on camera. It's kind of hard to see there. So you can see it's just slightly thicker. So it looks like biscuits do swell and expand, although this was in water. Glue isn't going to have quite as much water content as just straight water. But, I'm guessing it does expand to some extent. So that's the end of this experiment. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.